Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about one of the good stock which is performing in good in share market, and last so many months it is performing good only. This stock looks fundamentally and technically good, and this is a very cheap stock, so we can take some of the risk and we can invest, which is looking as a growing stocks. Let us see the fundamentally and technically how it is performing in the market. Jay Prakash Power Ventures Limited, we can see the about Jay Prakash Power Ventures Limited is engaged in the generation of power, including hydro and thermal, cement grinding, captive coal mining, and transmission of power. So it is engaged in the power generation. So market cap we can see 3,564 crores. Current price we can see 5.20. We can see the high and low. High it is 6.85, low it is 2.19. Stock P we can see 22.9, and book value we can see 9.49. Dividend till 0.00. Face value 10. ROE, return on equity 2.83, return on capital employed 7.18. So we can see the next current price is 5.2, so now we can see it is trading at 5.45 rupees, so which is very cheap, so we can invest on this. Sales and margin, it is improving. We can see sales 914.99, GPM 32.97, OPM 28, and NPM 0.47. So P ratio, as we seen, it is like we can see here P ratio 22.9, so we can see 22.6. Price, we can see price it is very low, and now it is performing good in the market, so we can buy. So pros and cons we can see here. Stock is trading at 0.55 times its book value, which is good. Company has delivered good profit growth of 22.03% CAGR over last 5 years. The company given good profit growth. Cons, company has low interest coverage ratio. The company has delivered a poor sales growth minus 4.30 over past 5 years. Promoter holding is low. The promoters were low 26.01. Company has low return on equity minus 7.39 for past 3 years. Promoters have pledged 87.30 of their holdings. Promoter holding has decreased over last 3 years minus 5.16. So let us see the peer comparison. We can compare with Adani Transmission, Adani Greens, NTPC. So let us see the quarterly result. Quarterly result we can see in amount in crores. December 2020 the sales was 950.61, March 2021 956.87, June 2021 914.99. So we can see the net profit, it is 211.28, 4.34 net profit. Crores, the amount in crores to 211.28 crore, 4.34 crores. Last quarter it is not performed that good, but now it is performing good. EPS, earning price per share 0.31 and 0.01 in March 21 and June 21. So let us see the profit and loss. We can see the net profit 267 crores, and 2 TTM, total trailing 12 months, we can see March 2021 and TTM. March 2021 it is 267 crores and TTM 248. So EPS in rupees we can see 0.39, 0.37. Compounded sales growth we can see TTM 20%, compounded profit growth TTM 108%, stock price CAGR 1 year 108%, return on equity 3%. So overall looking fine. Balance sheet, they have assets and liabilities 16,994 crores, cash flow minus 43 crores. We can see ROC 7%. Shareholding pattern we can see June 2021, promoters 26.02, FIS 0.53, DIS 32.34, government 0.0. There is no government. There is no holdings of government. Public 41.11. Any documents we can go here. Let us see the technically how it is. Technically you can see the, it is last 15 minutes. You can see last 15 minutes I have adjusted this, so we can see the prices going up. Now it is trading for 545. Might be we have to buy for 4 rupees. It will correction will happen and we can hold it. So the prices we can see MACD, it is the lines were going down. RSI 52.75, and this is moving average, it is going down. The rate will come down, it is come up to 4 rupees, so we can invest in this. So let us see the performance. Last 2017, it is profit margin minus 32.72. Profit margin in 2018 we can see here minus 9.79, 2019 minus 65.84, and now it is profit margin 8.07. So we can see that technically how it is performing. Last 1 year 131.91%, which is very good, and last year to date 70.31%, last 6 months 84.75%, last 3 months it is in negative minus 13.49%, last 1 month 34.57%, and last 1 week 25.29%. As we are seeing the growth, this is the growth is high, and technically it will show strong buy. We can see here technically it will show, uh, can see here strong buy, it will change. You can see here the technically it is showing as a strong buy because it is performing good. So I think we can invest to taking some of the risk, and we can invest. So if it is growing, it is 545 rupees, now it is trading. It will come till down till 4 rupees, it will come, might be 4 or 5 rupees, so that time you can invest, it will go good. So let us see, if you are interested, you can invest in this. First analyze yourself, and then you can go through the investment. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.